If you need to replace the paper roll in your SMBC BTP R180 printer, you're going to need a 3 1/8 inch wide by 230 foot long thermal paper roll. This is our #1 bestseller and the most common thermal paper roll size on the market. To change the roll, you want to pull this button down to open up the back cover. And take out your old roll. You'll see the end of roll warning stripe there. And you want to place in your new roll, but you want to make sure that you are placing it with the paper feeding under and not over. And that's because underneath is where the thermal side is, and that's the side that's going to image. So drop it in that orientation, pull out some paper, close it, and tear off the excess. And that is it, you are ready to roll. All of our thermal receipt rolls are BPA free. We also offer them in different color options, in heavyweight options, and even phenol-free options that fit the SMBC BTP R180. You can shop online at possupply.com or give us a call and we'll be happy to help you find the right supplies for your business.